Welcome back to the channel, guys, and thanks for coming by. This is my eXmark Lazer Z. We'll be starting well, actually we started last week. 11 years coming up with this one, and I just wanted to let you guys know, if you have one of these, a couple parts that are most vulnerable to break on these is this one and this pulley here. So you want to keep a extra one of these. I noticed this one's got a little bit of play in it, and that belt's got a little bit on it, but we got a lawn next day after tomorrow that if something's going to break, it's always on that lawn, and I believe both of those have broke. This one seems to be about every 5 years. I replaced this one first. This one went about 2, maybe 3 years longer than this one, but what you want to do is carry extra parts. So there's all the parts you need. I try to always carry an extra belt because you never know, but these last pretty good. The Kevlar, about $133 yesterday. So I got both pulleys. Make sure you get the hardware, because this, a lot of times the bolts will break. You won't be able to find that. Usually you'll find these still in, but I got the bushings and all the hardware I'll need, and you watch, it'll probably be one of them other pulleys that breaks. Well, here we go, and it's spitting snow. That's crazy.